In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common issues you might encounter when using Google Sheets. This can be a real headache, especially if you rely on Sheets for work or personal projects. So, let's get straight to it and ensure a smooth experience. First things first, let's take a look at your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for Google Sheets to function properly. Start by refreshing the page to see if that resolves the issue. If the problem persists, try opening another website to determine if the issue is affecting just Google Sheets or if it's broader. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data is another step you can take to see if your connection is the problem. Restarting your router may be necessary if your connection is unstable, as this simple action can often clear a multitude of network-related issues. Once you've confirmed that your internet connection is stable, the next step is to reload your sheet properly. You can do this by performing a hard refresh. On most browsers, this is done by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and R at the same time. Alternatively, you could simply reopen your file directly from the Google Sheets homepage. This helps load a fresh version of your sheet and can resolve minor glitches. Another common culprit for issues can be a corrupted browser cache. If you're using Google Chrome or any other browser for that matter, you'll want to clear your browsing data. Head to your browser settings, navigate to privacy settings, and look for the option to clear browsing data. Make sure to select both cache and cookies and then restart your browser. Corrupted cache files can often cause unexpected issues, so this is a powerful yet straightforward step to troubleshoot problems. Extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy tools, can also cause interference with Google Sheets. To rule this out, you can open an incognito or private browsing window, which by default disables all extensions. Try opening your sheet again. If it works without any issues, then one or more of your extensions are likely the cause. You can go back to your regular browser mode and disable extensions one by one until you find the one causing the trouble. If you're still encountering issues, try using a different browser altogether. Sometimes just switching browsers can solve the issue, as different browsers have different ways of handling processes and data. While we've touched on incognito mode as part of the troubleshooting steps earlier, it's important to note that fully opening Sheets in this mode can often help with issues related to caching and extensions. If you've noticed performance improvements, you might need to adjust your browser settings or extensions, and there you have it, a series of practical steps to troubleshoot and fix common Google Sheets issues. Implement these steps and you should notice a marked improvement in your experience. Good luck and happy spreadsheeting.